Hello students, today's class of folic acid. Folic acid name comes from Latin word folia, meaning leaf, means leafy vegetables are good source of this vitamin. And this vitamin play central role in 1-carbon metabolism and involved in DNA and RNA synthesis and in normal development of blood cells and in bone marrow. Now a structure of folic acid. Folic acid is composed of 3 components. Pyridine ring, para-aminobenzoic acid and glutamic acid. Folic acid has 3 components, that is pyridine ring, para-aminobenzoic acid and glutamic acid. Combining pyridine and para-aminobenzoic acid called steroic acid, and all combined called steroyl glutamic acid or folic acid. Now production of tetrahydrofolic acid. Folic acid is reduced to its active form tetrahydrofolate by enzyme folate reductase. Folate reductase is dependent on NADPH, which provides the reducing equivalents. Tetrahydrofolate is the coenzyme form of folic acid through which it performs biochemical functions. As in given diagram, tetrahydrofolic acid 5,6,7,8 tetrahydrofolic acid is active form of folic acid. 5,6,7,8 tetrahydrofolic acid is active form of folic acid. Now about biochemical functions of folic acid. All the biochemical functions of folic acids are based on ability of tetrahydrofolate to transfer single carbon units. Tetrahydrofolate serves as donor or acceptor of 1 carbon unit, that is formyl, methyl, etc. In a wide variety of reactions, in amino acid and nucleotide metabolism, that is 1 carbon metabolism, folic acid has important role as a donor of or acceptor of 1 carbon units. So tetrahydrofolates So different one carbon unit carried by tetrahydrofollates are formyl, formimino, methinyl, methylene, hydroxymethyl, methyl. These one carbon compounds are attached either to the fifth or to the 10th or to the fifth 5 and 10 nitrogen atom of tetrahydrofolate. The methyl group in N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate is used for synthesis of active methionine, which takes part in methylation reactions such as transmethylation. Such transmethylation reactions are required for synthesis of choline, epinephrine, creatinine, etc. N5N10 methyl tetrahydrofolate, one carbon unit in the form of red ring. Carbon red ring is attached to the N5 and N10 group blue ring of tetrahydrofolic acid. So, biochemical functions of folic acid in DNA and RNA synthesis. One carbon groups are utilized for synthesis of C2 and C8 of purine. Role in amino acid metabolism. Tetrahydrofolate involved in conversion of serine to glycine. Role in protein biosynthesis. Tetrahydrofolate required for formation of N-formyl methionine. Here is explained folate trap. One carbon pool methyl tetrahydrofolate converted to tetrahydrofolate in step 1. Here required vitamin B12, in its active form converted to methylcobalamin and homocysteine converted to methionine. What happens in absence of vitamin B12? This reaction not possible and methyl tetrahydrofolate cannot be converted into tetrahydrofolate and folate gets trapped. So this is folate trap. Causes of folate deficiency. In pregnancy, where requirement is increased, defective absorption. In spruce, celiac disease, gluten-induced enteropathy, resection of jejunum, and short circuit of jejunum in gastroileostomy. Who are taking anticonvulsant drugs, hydantoin, dilantin, phenobarbital, will inhibit intestinal enzymes so that folate absorption is reduced. Hemolytic anemia, requirement of folic acid becomes more. Dietary deficiency, absence of vegetables in food for prolonged period. Folate trap, the way for regeneration of tetrahydrofolate is the homocysteine methyltransferase with the help of vitamin B12. When vitamin B12 is deficient, reaction cannot take place, leading to folate deficiency. So from come out folate ray, vitamin B12 is required. Deficiency manifestation, reduced DNA synthesis in folate deficiency. Tetrahydrofolate is reduced and thymidylate synthase is inhibited, hence deoxyuridine monophosphate is not converted to D-thymidine monophosphate. So D-thymidine phosphate is not available for DNA synthesis, so cell division arrested. Macrocytic anemia. Hence, synchrony or dissociation between the maturity of nucleus and cytoplasm is manifested as immature looking nucleus and mature eosinophilic cytoplasm in bone marrow cells. Reticulocytosis is often seen. These abnormal RBC are rapidly destroyed in spleen. This hemolysis leads to reduction of lifespan of RBC, reduced generation and increased destruction of RBC, result in anemia. Homocystinemia. Folic acid deficiency may cause increased homocysteine level in blood. Plasma homocysteine level above 15 millimole per liter increases risk of cardiac disease. Histidine load test or Figler excretion test. Histidine is normally metabolized to form immunoglutamic acid, from which formino group is removed by tetrahydrofolate. Therefore, folate deficiency Figler is excreted in urine. This test is rarely done nowadays. AICAR is excretion addition of C2 with the help of N10-formyl tetrahydrofolate is the last step in purine biosynthesis. When this reaction is blocked, the precursor amino, imidazole, carboxamide, ribose 5-phosphate accumulates and is excreted. Birth defect. Folic acid deficiency during pregnancy may lead to neural tube defects such as spina bifida in fetus. Administration of folic acid to mother prevents birth defect and fetal malformations. Sources of folic acid. Rich source of folate are yeast, green leafy vegetables. Moderate sources are cereal, pulses, oil, seeds, and egg, milk is a source of folic acid. Daily recommended daily allowance. Requirement of free folate is 200 microgram per day. Pregnancy, the requirement increased to 400 microgram per day. During lactation, 300 microgram per day. Folic acid therapy. In macrocytic anemia, therapeutic dose 1 milligram folic acid per day. Folic acid alone should not be given in macrocytic anemia because it may aggravate neurological manifestation of vitamin B12 deficiency. So folic acid and vitamin B12 are given in combination in patients. Now folate antagonist, sulfonamide, structural similarity with PABA, therefore completely inhibit enzyme responsible for incorporation of PABA into folic acid. When sulfonamides given to microorganisms when sulfonamides are given to microorganisms, they cannot synthesize folic acid, hence their growth inhibited. So sulfonamides act as antibacterial agents, but they do not affect human cells. Pyrimethamine. This antifoliate agent uses anti-malarial drug, aminopterin and amitriptyline. Aminopterin, 4-amino folic acid, and amitriptyline are structures similar to folic acid. Therefore, they are powerful inhibitor of folate reductase and tetrahydrofolate generation. Thus, these drugs decrease the DNA formation and cell division. They are widely used as anti-cancer drugs or anti-metabolite, especially in leukemia and choriocarcinoma. This sulfonamide, PABA, and pyrimethamine, folic acid, aminopterin, and methotrexate. Now, vitamin B12. B12 known as cobalamin, required for maturation of RBC. Cobalamin synthesized only by microorganisms, not by animals and plants. Now, a structure of cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is a complex organometallic compound with a centrally placed cobalt atom. Composed of 4 pyrrole rings similar to porphyrin. Tetrapyrrole structure is known as codeine. Pyrrole ring of codeine nucleus contains methyl estamide and propionamide as a substituent groups. Cobalt codeine complex called cobamide. Cobalt atom also bound to dimethyl-benzimidazole attached to ribose 5-phosphate moiety, which is linked in turn to amino isopropanol. Cobalt atom of cobalamin also contains a 6th substituent group. Based on the type of additional group present on cobalamin, have different forms: cyanide in cyanocobalamin, hydroxyl in hydroxycobalamin, H2O in epocobalamin, nitrite in nitrocobalamin, methyl in methylcobalamin, 5-deoxyadenosine in deoxyadenosylcobalamin. Here is CN group, cyanocobalamin, and compared with heme compound. Absorption of vitamin B12. Binding protein is the intrinsic factor of Pascal. The vitamin B12 is otherwise known as extrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor is secreted by gastric parietal cells. Second factor is cobalophyllin, secreted in saliva. Gastric pepsins release the vitamin from protein of the food, and vitamin B12 binds with the cobalophyllin. In duodenum, chlorofylline hydrolyzed by trypsin by penetrative juice, vitamin is released and then vitamin binds to intrinsic factor. This intrinsic factor, vitamin B12 complex attached with a specific receptor migration cell hold intrinsic factor vitamin B2 complex is internalized. Vitamin B12 is absorbed from ileum while folic acid is from the jejunum. Absorption and storage of vitamin B12. Covalapine from saliva, intrinsic factor from vital cells of the stomach, intrinsic factor B12 absorbed from terminal ileum, transcovalamine second, blood transport, tissue cells take up transcovalamine second, vitamin B12 complex through receptors. Functional role of vitamin B12. Methyl cobalamin CoA isomerase. D-methyl malonyl CoA is formed in body from propanol CoA. It is then converted to L form by racemase, then isomerized by methyl malonyl CoA mutage to succinyl CoA, which enters into citric acid cycle. In vitamin B12 deficiency, methyl malonyl CoA is excreted in urine as methyl malonylic acid, that is methyl malonic aciduria. Metabolism of out-chain fatty acid, valine, isoleucine, methionine and threonine leads to production of methyl malonyl CoA. Homocysteine, methyl transferase and methyl folate trap. Production of methyl tetrahydrofolate is an irreversible step. Therefore, only before generation of free tetrahydrofolate is this reaction. When vitamin B12 is deficient, this reaction cannot take place. This is called the methyl folate trap. This leads to associated with folic acid scarcity in vitamin B12 deficiency. So folate trap is associated with vitamin B12 deficiency. Causes of vitamin B12 deficiency: nutritional. Only source of vitamin B12 in vegetarian diet is curd, milk, and lower income group may not be able to afford it. Decreased absorption, gastrostomy, resection of ileum, malabsorption syndrome, additional Addisonian pernicious anemia. This is very rare in India but common in European countries. Gastric atrophy, pregnancy, fish tapeworm. This tapeworm has a special affinity to vitamin B12 causing reduction in available vitamin. This tapeworm has a special affinity to vitamin B12 and causing reduction in available vitamin. Deficiency manifestations: folate trap, megaloblastic anemia, abnormal homocysteine level, demyelination. Active methionine is not available. Methylation of phosphatidylmethionine to phosphatidyl is not adequate. This leads to deficient formation of myelin sheath of nerves. So demyelination and neurological lesions happens. Subacute combined degeneration of the spinal cord. Damage to nervous system is seen in vitamin B12 deficiency. There is demyelination affecting dorsal column and pyramidal tract of the spinal cord. Since sensory and motor tracts are affected, it is named as combined degeneration. Symmetrical paresthesia of extremity, alternation of tendon and deep senses and reflexes, loss of position senses, unsteadiness and get positive lumbar signs, falling when eyes are closed, and positive Babinski extensor plantar chain. Achlorhydria, absence of acid in gastric juice is associated with Vitamin deficiency in nail. Vitamin deficiency manifested in nail as parallel ridges. Peripheral bulb feature megaloblastic vitamin B2 deficiency, normoblasts, immature, nucleated RBC, and hypersegmented neutrophil are seen. And nail parallel ridges. Assessment of vitamin deficiency, serum vitamin B12 by radioimmunoassay, peripheral anemia, megaloblastic anemia, ceiling test, radioactive level, cobalt 60 vitamin B12, ceiling test. In ceiling test, radioactive level, cobalt radioactive level, vitamin B12 1 microgram is given simultaneously. An intramuscular injection of unlabeled vitamin 12 is given in order to saturate tissue with normal vitamin B12, so radioactive vitamin 12 will not bind to body tissue. Therefore, in normal person, the entire absorbed radioactivity will pass into urine. In patient with pernicious anemia, less than 5% of radioactivity is detected in urine. Methylmalonic acid is seen in urine. Figlu excretion test will be positive. Homocystinuria is also observed. Treatment. All macrocytic anemia are generally treated with folate and vitamin B12. Therapeutic dose of vitamin B12 is 500 to 1000 microgram by intramuscular injection. Requirement of vitamin B12 normal daily requirement is 1 to 2 microgram per day. During pregnancy, it is 2 microgram per day. Those who take folic acid should also take vitamin B12. Elderly person advised to take vitamin B12 supplementation. Dietary source vitamin B12 is not present in vegetables. Liver is rich source. Curd is good source because lactobacillus can synthesize B12. Thank you.